Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to join Roblox Blade Ball Discord server. Follow these steps to easily join the Discord Blade Ball server, and first of all, log into your Discord account and here click on add a server and click on join a server. In this invite link box, type here discord.gg/ and type this text. Make sure to follow capital and lower letter, and now click on join server, and then you will directly jump into the Blade Ball Discord server. So this is how we can join Discord Blade Ball Discord server. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.